Today, I want to share with you a powerful strategy called the 40+ formula that can help you succeed faster at work. This formula reveals a simple truth. The number of hours you put in today, beyond the regular 40-hour work week, can determine where you'll be 5 years from now. Imagine this. If you stick to the standard 40 hours like everyone else, you'll likely find yourself just surviving. Your annual raises will be modest, around 3 or 4%, and your income will increase at the same pace as everyone else around you. But here's the game changer. When you consistently invest more than 40 hours of work, you gain a significant advantage over your colleagues and competitors. It's about going above and beyond what's expected. It's about putting in the extra effort and making it a habit. The highest paid individuals in America, across all fields, dedicate 50 to 60 hours per week to their work. In fact, the average self-made millionaire puts in 59 hours each week. That's equivalent to 5 12-hour days or 6 10-hour days. In the early stages of their careers, they often worked 6 days a week, and sometimes even 7. But what truly sets them apart is their unwavering dedication during those hours. They understood that to harvest a bountiful career later on, they had to sow countless seeds during the springtime of their professional lives. So, my friends, the 40+ formula is about putting in the extra hours, working smarter and harder, and committing to your long-term success. Remember, each hour you invest beyond 40 hours a week is an investment in your future achievements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable contents.